Guidelines for instilling eye drops. Preparation before instilling eye drops. Always wash your hands before handling your eye drops or touching your eyes. If you are wearing contact lenses, take them out unless your ophthalmologist has told you to leave them in. Shake the drops vigorously before using them. Remove the cap of the eye drop medication. Do not touch the dropper tip. How to instill eye drops. Tilt your head back. Pull your lower eyelid down to create a pocket. Put a drop in the pocket without touching your eye with the bottle. After putting in eye drops, close your eyes and do not blink. Apply gentle pressure to your tear ducts where the eyelid meets the nose. Wipe any unabsorbed drops from your closed lids with a tissue. Repeat the same procedure with the other eye if necessary. Wash your hands after handling medication.